Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome. If you're a returning member, welcome back. And if you're a new member, could you please share, like, and subscribe to the channel? It helps other people know when they post videos. Well, before we get started, today is day 3 on the BBBE, beef, butter, bacon, and eggs, and it's going good. I'm going to continue on for a couple more days. And today we're going to be making something really simple. I'm sure you made it plenty of times before. We're going to take some 2080 ground chuck. We're going to put it in, we're going to separate it into fours and make 4 good-sized hamburger patties out of it. And we're going to fry them up in the air fryer and come back and we'll talk about it. And maybe I might even make some shackles for those since we're in the middle part of the week, and you know, have them like on a instead of the hamburger bun there or a keto roll, do a chapel roll. But if I don't, we'll have them regular with just butter. But anyways, the whole idea behind doing this beef and BBBE thing is to keep the carbs as low as possible because we were picking up a little bit of weight. And I want to see what kind of long-term effect it's going to have on me after we do it for as long as we can do it day to day. So we'll just see what happens as we progress day to day on it. But so far, so good. Day 1, we made the egg sausages in the oven, as you recall. In day 2 we had beef steak, and we had some fried eggs with that. So day 3 we're having kibasi, and then day 4 we're having the ground beef patties, and pre-filming this all out ahead of time. And you know, hope you enjoy these little videos that I'm doing. But let me know what you guys think. And have you tried the beef and butter fast before? Have you tried the egg fast before? Have you tried the BBBE, the beef, butter, bacon, and egg challenge before? They all work. You just have to stay with something that's going to work for you. Right now I'm still doing keto, but because my weight's been picking up, I'm just taking a little bit of break from the normal keto foods, and you know, doing some cleaning out my system by just doing mostly BBBE because I you know, want to get my body back on track into ketosis there when we get down to 20 net carbs a day going forward, to try to get rid of some of this weight there. And yeah, so without further ado, why don't we go right into the recipe in the air fryer, and we'll come back and talk about it, and have a great day. Okay, our hamburgers are now done, so now we're going to prep them by putting them into a bowl, and we should be good to go for a day or so. And there is our final product. Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share and like that subscribe button? It definitely helps me when I post videos like this one. Well, today on What Ron Eats of the Day on the BBBE, today we're having regular ground beef patties. We made 4 patties yesterday in the air fryer. And put a little bit of salt and pepper on them, and don't be afraid to use the salt there. I used a little more salt than I normally would use, and but I used the Redmond's real salt. You want to get a good quality salt, and not that salt in the blue container. I think you know what I'm talking about. And put a little bit of butter in my 4 patties, and of course they shrunk down. And so that's what I'm having today. We got a Coke Zero for a flavored beverage. Had 3 cups of coffee this morning. And yeah, so I've been staying home from the new job right now. I need to get my feet under control. It kept me up part of the night with the dryness of the skin, and you know, just hoping to get that under control at some point. So I'm gonna just flip the camera around so you can see my hamburger patties that I made. Pretty standard procedure. When I salt and peppered them, I put them into the air fryer, and we did about maybe 25 minutes at 400. At the halfway point, I flipped them, and then I finished them off, and then I saved some of the grease and I poured it into the bottom of the bowl. And you know, these are one of my favorites. I can eat ground beef 24/7. So let's flip the camera around. So this is what my hamburgers look like. So on the BBBE, it's going really good. You can eat as much as you want. You don't have to worry about weighing up anything. The window of opportunity, try to keep it to about 4 hours. And you know, you should be good to go. I'm gonna get a little butter on my fork because I used the fork this morning. You have to break off the butter off the stick. There you go. There's a beef and butter fast right there. Yeah, cool. It's really, really good and really, really flavorful. You can add some condiments if you want, but right now we're trying to keep the carbs really low. In fact, we're trying to eliminate all the carbs altogether for a few days. So a lot of my carbs right now are coming in from my coffee cream, I noticed. When I'm doing like 3 cups of coffee like I have now, I boil my coffee cream. I don't really measure it. And I always go more rather than less when I figure it out in Carb Manager. So right now I'm doing about 4 net carbs on my coffee every morning. And if you're doing 20 net carbs a day, that's a lot just for coffee cream. So just be aware of that. And they got other options. I can use heavy cream if I want, but you know, like I mentioned in many of my videos, you do you. But I hope you like this short little video. This is what Ron eats in a day on the BBBE, and I made some kielbasa for later if I get hungry. And they also have a couple more of those egg muffins with the sausages left, and they also have some frozen sausages already pre-cooked. I can always just have them in the oven if I'm still hungry. But anyways, this is what Ron eats today, BBBE, and enjoy your day. And I'll have the video on how I prep this right after this segment. Have a great day, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.